Hi there, beautiful! I'm going to guide you through a contouring and sculpting Gua Sha routine that you can do every single morning, and if needed, you can do this at nighttime as well. You want to do this after your skincare routine. You can either go in with moisturizer or face oil as your last step to prep your skin for the Gua Sha. I'm going to be using face oil today, and make sure to prep your neck as well. You want a slippery surface to work with. Don't forget to wash your tool before and after using it, and store it in the fridge if you want to focus on depuffing the face. For the first movement, to drain your lymph nodes, I choose to go up because I want to work against gravity for anti-aging purposes. If you feel better going down on this one, it's totally fine. Just hold your skin for support so you don't drag your skin downwards. Now take a deep breath and let's begin. Use this heart-shaped part, and we are starting with the left shoulder. Apply a slight pressure and go up slowly like this. Wiggle at the end for some tension relief. We are repeating each step 5 times. Moving to the front side of our neck, place your Gua Sha above your collarbone and slide it upwards toward your jawline. Be aware that your skin can get a little red during this sesh, and that is completely fine. That just means that the blood is flowing. But it should never hurt or leave red marks on your skin for more than 10 to 15 minutes. If it does, you might have overdone it with the pressure. Now, using this part, hold under your chin for support like this, and slide your tool from your chin to below your ears. Back to the heart-shaped part, place 2 fingers on your chin, apply your tool, and angle it against your skin so that it can slide across your jawline smoothly. For our wonderful smile lines, we are using the flat side of the tool. Put your fingers for support like this, then flick it slowly like this. Remember to always work upwards. Now let's depuff those sweet cheeks. Press your chin and glide your tool with the flat side up to your ears. This part really relaxes my jaw, and I love it. Next, hold your Gua Sha like this, press against your smile line, and form your cheeks by sliding the tool upwards. Be extra gentle with the next step. Place your fingers by the side of your nose, then slide the tool upwards like this. Be very gentle around your eye area because it's very sensitive. Wiggling the tool on top, specifically on this part, can relieve some headaches. Time to snatch the brow bone. Put 2 fingers on the center like so, and glide your tool following your brow bone, then up to your temples. Keep your 2 fingers where they are and go directly into the next step. Place your gua sha right above the arch of your brows and slide it up in a diagonal motion. After 5 swipes, move the tool higher up and do the same thing there. Now, let's do the other side. I'm going to stay quiet for the other side so it doesn't become repetitive and let you have a moment for yourself. Maybe take this time to manifest blessings into your life. I'll come back for the center part of our face. Hope you had a relaxing moment. Now let's focus on the center part of our face. Place your hands on the middle of your chest like this. Using the heart-shaped side, we are swiping the tool upwards to the chin, just like this. Now that little double chin deserves some love as well, so use the straight side of our Gua Sha and focus on this little part of your chin. This part is very satisfying to me. Then the nose, and use the edge of the tool to slide it up slowly until you meet the brow bone, and wiggle at the end for some tension relief. Repeat on the other side. And let's finish this off with the center of your forehead. Put 2 fingers in the middle like this and slide your tool up to your hairline. Bravo! You are done! Always happy to have you here, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a magical day or night, and I will see you in my next one.